Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you took Vaseline and you soaked cotton balls in Vaseline? How about a dryer sheet? I was very surprised with what I'm about to show you. I have a really cool life hack that you are not going to want to miss. So first, let's go ahead, take our Vaseline, otherwise known as petroleum jelly, and soak one of these dryer sheets right here. We got our dryer sheet. By the way, these are smelling absolutely yummy and scrumptious. Dryer lint. Great for starting fires. But what if you would take some Vaseline? You can see right here, I have it on the dryer sheet. Let's just go ahead and light this bad boy on fire, and then we're gonna get to the cotton balls. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Nothing's really happening. It's almost like it's candle wax. Do-do-do, nothing. But now what if I just went ahead and straight lit the dryer sheet on fire? Woo, burn, baby. Kind of interesting, huh? All right, next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take some cotton balls. I got a pan right here. You'll want a pan if you're gonna try this at your own risk, but I'm just gonna take my cotton ball, a little in there. Let's do, I don't know, should we do 4 or 5 of these bad boys? Drop them in our pan right here. We got another one. And here we go. That's about 4 right there. Ooh, yes. Come on, baby, light my fire. Now let's go ahead and light these bad boys on fire. Woo! Burns like magic. These are excellent fire starters. So you can put these in a tin can if you're gonna be going camping. Soak them in Vaseline. Dryer sheet is not gonna do you much good. Hope you love this creative life hack. Give it a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now for some other additional genius ideas. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.